All right, February is the month of chocolate, and we have lots going on here, including YYC Hot Chocolate Fest. And today with me is Chef Alex Hamilton.
Hi.
Haha, we're going to be talking about what our entry is, if you have not heard and you have not tasted. Lots of folks have been coming in for that.
Yeah.
And thanks to your
It's
kind of
pretty good.
creative inspirations, we not only have the YYC Hot Chocolate Fest 2025 entry, but we've also got some spin-offs.
We got some mixes and a chocolate bar, and it started with the chocolate bar. You know, it's like I love the spicy cinnamon of
Yeah.
a Mexican style hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Also known as champurrado,
Champurrado.
but that's usually made with a masa
Right.
corn. There's a nixtamalized corn.
Yeah.
And in our hot chocolate we do have it, but in here we did the purple corn extract,
Right.
and in the bar too. But,
Yeah,
you know.
cool. So yeah, just a little more concentrated version for
Yeah.
the kind of the take homes.
Yeah.
And I remember it was years ago, Yara, where because we were like pondering this idea of like, what's it with like chocolate in February? You know, like it seems so many months of the year are focused around chocolate, the holidays. And I think he was kind of half joking, but he's like, as winter wears on and it gets so cold and people are just like, spirits are down, like they just naturally reach for chocolate. And to kind of as that mood elevator. And then, what you've done here with the spices. And so very warming.
Yeah.
And we've had quite a few questions like, okay, like, is it really hot? Like, I don't want it to, I don't like spicy.
Yeah, like
Right?
this
Like
isn't a
burn your
hot
mouth.
sauce. This is a suicide wings.
No, totally. Yeah,
just-
what I love about it and how you've created it is it's got that nice warmth of the heat, just a little bit of like a tingle, but it's warming more than it is
Yes.
like, let's call it burning.
And that's exactly what it is. It's just meant to elicit that exactly, warming spices. I mean, cinnamon is one of those things that like when it's cold, I think of cinnamon, like
Totally.
in almost everything. And
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, helps increase the circulation, and it's also really good for balancing blood sugar. So it
Totally.
also pairs really well with chocolate goodness.
Yeah, exactly. And then we got some reishi in there too, so it's really
Yeah.
like, earthy and yeah.
Cool. Well, let's break it down. What do we have in the drink, the bar, and the chocolate mix, the take home?
So in all of them we have our cacao,
Yeah.
our raw cacao that's ground in, and the coconut sugar. And all of them have chili flakes. All of them have cinnamon. All of them have mesquite, which is like a huge superfood that has come from that from like Mexico down to
totally.
like South America.
Yeah.
Like all different forms and those pods.
Such an incredible tree and such an incredible food. Most people are familiar with like mesquite smoked and barbecue. The tree of that, the wood of that tree is burnt, creates a really beautiful, flavor and essence in barbecue. But that tree produces a nutrient-rich seed pod, which was used as a staple, ground into a flour, and it actually really balances well with chocolate. on
It
so
totally
many
does.
levels.
They got like that caramelly kind of like flavor, and
There's a flavor balance there, whereas chocolate's high in magnesium, the mesquite is high in calcium, even down to an amino acid level where chocolate's high in arginine, mesquite's high in lysine. So it's
right?
very
Yeah.
balancing.
And
Complementary.
then all of them have reishi,
Yeah.
and all of them have sea salt and vanilla. Okay,
Right.
so all of those. But then in
Yeah.
our hot chocolate, like in the entry,
Yeah.
we have damiana as well.
Totally.
Yeah, so a very Mexican love herb.
Yeah, totally.
So-
And tell us about the purple corn.
Oh,
You
and the
mentioned
purple
that.
corn, yes. Oh, yeah. Sorry, and that one. And the purple corn extract, which is the highest in anthocyanin, like of
Yeah.
almost any thing. And this is like I think it's a sweet variety of corn, so it doesn't need to be nixtamalized.
Right,
So
okay.
like for it to have good
Yeah.
effects, and so.
Yeah, cool. And just vibrant purple color.
Yeah.
So with the drink, it actually comes with this beautiful like purple marshmallow on top, but it's also in the base of the drink as well.
Yes, totally. So and then, as I mentioned before, the drink, the base of the drink has blue masa in it,
Great.
and then This one has the purple corn, but then we put the purple corn marshmallow on top.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
so
Awesome.
that's not included with this, but you know.
Yeah, well, you can make your own. I mean, it's
Yeah.
homemade here in the kitchen in that way.
Yeah.
And yeah, so come on by, grab the drink for the month of February. There was someone in yesterday. She's like, "Oh, you got to make this a part of your regular menu."
Yeah.
I think we get that every year.
Yeah, we do, yeah.
Yeah, but it is a good one.
Yeah.
And so with the bar, what I love about it, you know, again, just like classic, beautiful chocolate, but then all those spices just kind of like it's infused into the bar as well as on top. So it
Yeah.
just kind of like, it just kind of lingers on the palate so nicely. And then this is kind of the take-home version, you know, like craft your own elixir at home. And what you made this is like, you could do it in water, you could do it in milk, you can, you know, adjust the sweetness to your own preference.
Yes.
Make it as kind of as strong or as mild as you want, you know,
Totally.
depending on who you're serving it to.
Yeah, but on that, yeah, it is like exactly like you're gonna get the flavor with the recommended, like, you know, scooping in
Yeah.
there with just water. But yeah,
Yeah.
it just like it brings it to a next level with like a little bit of ghee and you know like,
yeah.
like
Choose
some
your own
coconut
adventure.
milk. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There's so much to do with it. So
Yeah, this is just the base
Yeah.
to build upon and from, or just enjoy it as is. So awesome. Well, stoked for the month.
totally.
Stoked for everybody. Braving the cold coming out, and yeah, so far rave reviews. With the hot chocolate.
And I think highlighted with the weather currently, it just like it gives it that extra, just like warms the inside out. And I couldn't imagine how good it would be like after a good day of snowboarding or
Right.
like skating or
Yeah,
whatever.
totally. Skating at Bonus Park, and
Yeah.
yeah, saw them clearing off the ice this morning as I
Oh,
drove by.
yeah.
So, yeah, cool. All right. Well, hope you're getting out. Enjoy the snow. I know it's cold, but we got some warmer weather coming. And yeah, just enjoy the winter, embrace, and get yourself all kind of warmed and nourished through the delicious flavors of the Mexican hot chocolate. Bye for now.